The idea, you understand, is to suck the water through the straw and then swallow. See, swallow the water rather than just spitting it all over your own shirt. You see the goal. So what I'm trying to say is that you're half there. And I like the first half, but maybe if we could move forward. You know what? Never mind. I like this better. I hope you're still doing it. I hope you're still doing it when you're like 19. It'll be very easy to keep the boys away.
I'm just gonna get some now.
I think we've.
Okay.
I think we've all learned our lesson here today. Sort of.